this video, we'll be replacing this great sounding and looking exhaust on the Colorado. Why? The two issues are: 1. It only works with the small space saver spare tire. 2. It is in the way of the future rear sway bar. Here we can see where the original full-size tire is touching the exhaust pipe and where the pipe is in the way where the sway bar would be located. Comparing the compact donut spare and the original tire size, the latter is 33% thicker. A gap can be seen between the tire and the exhaust pipe. Here's the parts list. See my website for more information. Lowering the spare so we can remove the exhaust system, i.e. cat back. A good view of the exhaust system. Using a pipe cutter to cut off the muffler back. Unfortunately, the drive shaft is in the way. Removing the drive shaft by removing 4 bolts and 2 straps. Moving the drive shaft out of the way. Now we can use the pipe cutter. Make sure that the pipe cutter is cutting a single groove. Here the pipe has been cut. Reattach the drive shaft. Unbolt the 2 rear attachment points. Pulling the exhaust system off. Need to remove the exhaust hanger. This exhaust hanger removal plier does the job. Now we can finish removing the exhaust system. Here we can see the differences between the 2 exhaust systems. Installing the tailpipe. Installing the first of 2 hangers. Installing the second hanger. Test fitting the muffler. Installing the first of 2 stainless steel exhaust clamps. Installing the second and last exhaust clamp. This slide visually shows how the new 235/75R15 tire compares to both the original compact donut spare and the original tire size. The first startup and tailpipe clearance. For reference, some tire considerations for spares.